In this video, we want to solve this question. It says, for what values of x is sine 50 cos x plus cos 50 sine x equals half, where 0 degrees is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 360. So what it means is that the value of x lies between 0 and 360. Let's rewrite the equation given to us. This is the equation given to us. And if we check this left hand side, it will look familiar. It looks like the equation that says sine a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So what it means is that sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. That's what it is. From there now, we can see that a is equal to 50 and b is x. That's why you could take sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So having established this fact, we can rewrite this equation. We can rewrite it as sine 50 instead of saying a plus x instead of saying b is now equal to half. Since this is equal to this, it means, and this is also equal to this, it means that this is equal to this. So that's why we equate it. What it now says is that we can now say that 50 plus x is equal to sine crossing over sine inverse of half. So we can now check what are the angles whose sine is equal to half. We know that sine 30 is half and also sine 50. So sine 30 is half and sine 50 is also half. So if these two signs gives us, so the first case scenario, we can say that sine, okay, without saying sine now, we can say 50 plus x is equal to 30 degrees. So if we say that this, we can make x subject of the formula. X becomes 30, 50 crossing over becomes minus 50. Therefore, x is equal to minus 20. Now, since this thing is not in the value, and the range is from 0 and 360, we can now say that we can add 360 to that minus and say that x is equal to minus 20 plus 360, which is 340 degrees. So we've gotten the first one. The second case is the case of 150. Is the case of 150. So now we can say the same 50 plus x is now equal to 150, making x subject of the formula. X is equal to 150, 50 crossing over becomes minus 50. Therefore, x equals 100. So these are the two values that we can get. So x equals 100 degrees and 340 degrees. These are the two values that we can get minus half.